Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you? Welcome to a new day and a new week. And today is week 7 and day 1, right? Today is the first day of week 7 and this day is Monday. What is the day today? Today is Monday, right? All right. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Uh, I'm going to say a word and then you have to start tell me another word that starts with the same letter. Okay, understood what I mean? I'm going to say a word that starts with a particular letter and you are going to tell me the other word that starts with the same letter. Do you understand? So it's a game. Let's play a game. All right, now my word is a balloon. It starts with a B. So you have to tell me another word that starts with B. A ball, very good. A bat, very good. A banana, okay, great. Now, another word that starts with a letter L. And my word is lollipop. Your word, land, okay. Then another word, leopard, very good. Another word, long, correct, very good. All right, now my other word is helicopter. It starts with an H. Come on, come on, come on, come on, quickly. A horse, very good. Another word, a hen, very good. Another word, a hat. Wow, great job, very good. That was nice playing game with you, right? You must have enjoyed. Yes or no? Correct. Very good. That's so nice that you people enjoy, right? Okay. Now, let's start the work. Now, we are going to learn some words, right? The words that end with shun, like Tion. With these letters, the words that end with Tion. All right. Now, I'm going to show you a video first. Again, that video is our Edward video. Do watch that video later on. Like it so that's going to be safe for you, right? Ready? Okay, now let's watch and let's see what you have and then we will continue with the lesson. All right? Okay, children, let's move on. Let's go. Can you see my screen here? Yes? Great. There you go. Let's go. Let's watch the video. Let's watch it.
Hello children, today we are going to talk about when you have a conversation with someone, you use words ending with tion. Conversation. Listen to this dialogue and learn about the syllable stress words, nouns ending with tion.
Hello, I would like to have a discussion with you about my son's education as he attends your institution. You have a big organization.
So in this discussion, education, institution, organization are all nouns ending with tion, shun. Let's learn more.
Okay, so that was about the shun words, right? Tion, shun words that end with shun. And when do we use them? As you have seen in the video, we use those words when we are having a conversation, when we are having a discussion. Like you have seen in the video, the words were discussion, organization, institution, right? So they end with a shun sound, and we usually use them when we are having a discussion, right? Now, what I want is from you people, you are going to think a little and tell me from your own memory, from your own knowledge, some of the words that ends with shun, and I'm going to write them over here on my whiteboard. Okay? Come on, quickly, quickly, one at a time, one by one. What is the first word? What is your first word? Come on, come on. Okay. Celebration. Wow. Celebration. Come on. Okay. Another word. Station. Very nice. Another word. Institution. Okay. Another word. Come on. Prediction. Very good. Prediction. Okay. Another word. Celebration. Station. Prediction. Okay. Fiction. Very good. Another word. Come on. Question. Very good. Any other word you have in your mind? Uh, what am I giving you in the class? Instructions, right? Okay. Instructions. So you can say celebration, station, institution, prediction, fiction, question, and instruction. Now, let's make some sentences with these words. Okay, now the first word is celebration. How are you going to make sentence with celebration? I, this is a huge celebration, right? This is a huge celebration, correct? Okay. Now comes station. We are standing. We are standing on a station, railway station. We are standing on a railway. We are standing at a railway station. Not on, we are standing at a railway station. Institution. This is an education institution. This is an education institution. Now remember again, how am I writing the sentences? I am writing it with capital letter and ending it with a full stop. All right. Prediction. Your prediction about the weather was correct. Your prediction about the weather was correct. That you predicted about the weather and that was correct. Okay. Fiction. Okay. Yes, come on, come on. Tell me a sentence of fiction. What happened here? Something went wrong. Let me check. Come on, come on. Okay. So the prediction is left because there was some issue over here. So we'll just do it orally. Come on, tell me the sentence of, what was it? Fiction. This story, this is a fiction story, right? This is a fiction story. Okay, other word was question. Come on. My question was too difficult, or the teacher asked a difficult question, right? Okay. Now what I want you to do is now the time is for you to do the task, right? Now what task you are going to do is you are going to do part number A and B, which is there on page 28 of your Nelson English. Now, first you have to match the words with the picture and the words they have already given in the word box, and it is very easy. And then part B is that you have to tell me few more words. Okay, like this part, leave part B, we will just do part A. Part A is very easy, you can easily do it in 3 minutes, and your time starts now. Okay, now time is up. Come on. Let's do the first one. Now, what is the first picture about? Is it a question, station, direction, celebration, fiction, or lotion? The first picture is about a lotion. Correct. Very good. And second picture is about what? What is this picture showing you? A location. Very good. And the third picture is about a direction. Very good. Fourth picture is about, you can say, it's a fiction. Very good. Fifth one is about a question. Very easy. And what is the sixth one? It's about balloons. So it is about celebration. Wow, that's so nice. Very good. Good job, my class. That's so nice you have understood. Now, I'm going to show you a few more words and then you are going to read those words with me. They are again of shun sound. You can see, read those words with me. Action, motion. Station, lotion. Question, bastion. Nation, caution. Relation, deletion. Section, fraction. Creation, quotation. Reaction, portion. Direction, vacation. Correction, position. Addition, subtraction. Invention, and application. Now you can see them, the shun sound words, they all end with tion. There are loads of words if you go and search through your dictionaries. Remember, we have done how to use dictionary, so you must be knowing how to use dictionary. So you can go and search in your dictionary, find a few more words, and tell me in the next class, right? So that means that we have done the shun sound words, that words that end with tion, and they are mostly in conversation also, like you have seen in the video. Now, what homework I am going to give you is, I'll be posting on portal. It will be related to your workbook page. Do your homework yourself, right? If you have any issue, any problem, leave it and ask me in the next class tomorrow. We will discuss that. And don't forget to watch the edible videos. There are loads of videos on this topic also, as you have seen the video which I have shown you. You can see that later on. That is going to help you more. Okay, and try to search more about words of shun sounds from the dictionary. Okay, or it's going to improve your vocabulary as well. Right? I hope it's understood. Yes. So see you in your science lesson. Bye bye. Bye, children.